Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings with Win+I. This gets you straight to System Controls. Once Settings is open, click Personalization on the left so you're operating in the right context. Then select Background. This is the only built-in path that lets you change the desktop color reliably. Make sure you're on Windows 11 and not in tablet mode, because some options differ. After background is visible, you're ready for the next step. Choose a background type. Now, set background to solid color so the system applies a single desktop hue instead of an image or slideshow. Once done, you'll see a grid of swatches and a custom color button. Use custom color if you need a precise HEX or RGB value. Make sure to test contrast against taskbar icons. Windows previews instantly so you can adjust. If you prefer a softer tone, pick a lighter percentage or lower saturation in the custom picker to reduce eye strain. Finish by clicking Done or Apply to save the new desktop color. You should see it change instantly. If the color reverts or doesn't apply, sign out and sign back in, or restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to force the UI to refresh. Also make sure ThemeSync or a third-party theme manager isn't overriding settings. Disable them temporarily to confirm. If you still have issues, update Windows. Some builds have minor personalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.